Convenience. Have you ever wondered how big tech companies like Google, Netflix, or Amazon deploy thousands of code changes every day ACE?
In this video, you'll understand what DevOps is, why it's important, and how you can start your journey to become a DevOps engineer in 2025. Let's break it down.
DevOps is a combination of development and operations. It's a culture and set of practices that bridges the gap between developers and operations teams. 3. Infrastructure as code. Servers and infrastructure are managed using code. 4. Monitoring and logging. To implement DevOps, you need the right tools. Some of the most used ones are Git, Jenkins, Docker,
Kubernetes. Why are companies shifting to DevOps? Because it offers faster deployment, improved collaboration. Want to become a DevOps engineer in 2025? Here's your roadmap. Learn basics of Linux and networking. Master Git, GitHub. Learn a programming language like Python.
That's DevOps in a nutshell. If you're a developer, sysadmin, or student swearing, DevOps is one of the most in-demand skills today.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Homendr Tech for more tech videos in English and English. See you in the next one.